Stop letting people interrupt you. Here's how. First, when you're speaking, give them an outline at the beginning. Say, I have two ideas. First, or let's talk about phase one and then phase two. This shows people you have 2 points and they should wait until you're done to talk. Second, avoid the question inflection. When you say, I have an idea, and you go up at the end of your sentence, you're actually asking your statements, not saying them. Don't invite people to interrupt you by asking and delivering with an upward inflection. You're actually telling them, please interrupt me. Always deliver with a downward or neutral inflection. Third, if someone does interrupt you, you can hang your mouth open like a fish. This subtly cues them that you were not done talking and you have more to say. Fourth, if you're really worried about an interrupter while you're speaking or delivering a point, you can actually hold up your hand as you're speaking until you finish your point. This cues someone, wait, I'm still talking, and now it's your turn. Fifth, you can also use the stop gesture if someone begins to talk. This is a way for them to say, oh, better not interrupt. And it's a subtle way of asking them to stop by showing them. Do you want even more tips on communicating with confidence? One of the fastest ways to achieve more success and more respect is to level up your people skills. If you want to master communication and increase your charisma, check out People School. This program comes with 12 in-depth video modules designed to radically change your interactions, communication, and confidence. You'll start applying each principle to your life immediately. I'll share my social blueprints, conversation frameworks, and fascinating science-based insights. Everything you need to finally understand the unwritten rules of behavior. Ask questions and get personal answers and feedback after every module. Join me for our live monthly workshops where I deliver exclusive new teaching only to People School students. I'll show you exactly what to do to be more influential and impactful in every conversation and situation. Thousands of students have joined People School and achieved their goals. Here's what just a few of our students shared about their experiences in People School. I got the promotion I was looking for. Thanks to the People School team for helping me along the way. What a ride. I have to say that I wish I was in People School way earlier in life. Wow. So much to absorb and can't wait to do it again and again. Since People School, I have never had such engaging and fun interviews in my life. Last Friday, I accepted a senior position with an increase in my total package of $100,000. People School has provided me with an exceptional amount of value and knowledge. I feel that there is so much to offer from this program. I'll be going through the lessons again. Thank you, Vanessa. One of my biggest regrets is I wish I had enrolled in People School years before now. The best part is People School never expires. We constantly add new bonus modules based on student requests. Want a raise or raise your rates? Check out our How to Get a Raise formula. Need new friends in a new city? Check out our How to Find Your People bonus. There are more than 35 hours of material waiting for you in People School. If you want to level up your career, your relationships, and your conversations, I would love for you to consider People School. I read every single one of your comments and can't wait to meet you in our next live workshop. Thanks so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in our next video.